Hi, my name is Harriet. I'm a volunteer cyber guide trainer with RSVP Singapore. Today, I'm going to share with you a short tutorial on how to use Zoom on your iPhone. We hope that after the tutorial, you'll be able to connect with your friends and families and also be able to attend webinars or join some fun online activities with friends. To download the Zoom app, tap on the App Store. Tap on the magnifying glass. In the text field, type Zoom. Select Zoom Club Meetings. Tap on the Get icon. It depends on your phone setting. You may be asked for your Apple password. Once you have downloaded the Zoom app onto your iPhone, you should be able to find it on your home screen. Tap on the Zoom icon. Tap on Sign Up. At this point, you need to enter your date of birth. So you can scroll up or down to look for your date of birth. And once done, press Confirm. Now you need to enter your email address. It is important that you key in your actual email address because Zoom will send you a confirmation email. And now your name and your surname. Once done, tap on Sign Up. As you can see here, a confirmation email has been sent to this account. So you need to tap on the activation link and follow the step to complete the whole sign-up process. At that point, you'll be asked to create your Zoom password. Take note of the password because you need it to sign in later on. Click OK. Once you have activated your Zoom account via the confirmation email, you can go ahead and sign into your Zoom account. Let's tap on the Zoom and then tap on Sign In. So here your email address will automatically appear. You just need to key in your password. So once done, tap on Sign In. You'll be asked if you want to save your password in your keychain. Say Not Now. And then you can choose whether to sign in with your Face ID. Then since this is your first time signing in, let's go ahead to update your profile picture. Click on Settings. Click on the name right on top here. And then click on Profile Photo. Then let's choose to select from Photo Album. So now my profile photo will be updated. So here you can also update your display name by clicking on the display name and then tap on the field and type over it. Once done, click Save. And you can also update your password here. Same thing, just type in your old password, new password, and then confirm. I'm going to click on the back arrow to escape. If you're not using the Zoom app, it's better that you sign out by clicking on Sign Out. There are two ways you can join a Zoom meeting. One way is to join via the WhatsApp messages by clicking on the link. The other way is to join via the email. Likewise, you can click on the meeting link. Take note that there's a meeting ID and a meeting password that you can use to join via the Zoom app. To join via the Zoom app, we can sign in to our Zoom account by tapping on Sign In. Tap on Join. We can type in the meeting ID, tap Join, and then tap on the password. Then click Continue. Sometimes you'll be directed to a waiting room, as in this case here. Just wait to be admitted. Click Call using internet audio so that you can hear others during the meeting. Once you're in the meeting room, you'll see the speaker, usually the host, on the screen and yourself in the top right-hand corner. To see other participants, swipe to the left. You will have to repeat this many times in order to see all the participants if you are in a very large Zoom meeting. You can mute or unmute yourself anytime during the meeting by tapping on the screen and tap on the microphone to unmute. Once you are done speaking, you can tap on the screen again and tap on the mic to mute. Should you decide to share your video, you can tap on the screen and tap on Start Video. Should you decide to stop video, tap on the screen, tap on Stop Video. So now all they can see is just your profile picture. To share content, tap on Share Content. To see a list of all participants, tap on Participants. Now you see everyone in the meeting. To exit, tap Close. In order to leave the meeting, tap Leave. Tap Leave Meeting. So now you're out of the meeting and back to the main page. In many formal training sessions, some hosts may actually disable the unmute function. So in order for you to speak, you may have to raise your hand and wait for the host to unmute you. To raise hand, tap anywhere on the screen to bring out the options. Tap on More and tap on Raise Hand. Please remember to lower your hand afterwards or your hand will remain raised. To lower your hand, tap on the screen, tap on More and tap on Lower Hand. Sometimes in order not to interrupt the speaker, you may want to raise your questions or feedbacks via the chat. To do that, tap on the screen, tap on More, tap on Chat, and you can start typing your questions or comments in the text field. You can choose to send this text to only the host or to a particular person in the meeting or to share it with everyone by clicking on the downward arrow and tap on Send. To exit the chat, tap on Close. You can also use the applause or the thumb up icons to give feedback. Tap on the screen, tap on More, tap on the icon of your choice. The icon will appear right next to you in your video and automatically disappear after a few seconds. I've come to the end of my sharing. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye.